Hello friends, I'm Rajiv and welcome to my channel. In my last video, I gave you a small demonstration of what React.js is and the reason for its increasing popularity in the world of app development today. In this video, we will see how to set up and run React.js in Windows operating system. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
To set up React.js on your system, these are the 3 steps you must follow. Step 1. Download Visual Studio Code. Let us first perform this step. For this, open any browser and in Google type Visual Studio Code downloads. The very first link that you see, which is code.visualstudio.com, click on that link. Here you can download the software for 3 different operating systems: Windows, Linux as well as Mac. So based on what operating system you are working with, download the setup file from here. Mine is Windows operating system, so I would download the software from this section. So if your operating system is 64-bit, download from here. If it is 32-bit, download from here. So click on the 64-bit link to start the download. You can see now the download is complete. Double click on that exe file to start the installation. Click yes. Click I accept the agreement. Next. Click next again. Click next again. Leave all these values for default. If you want a shortcut to be placed as an icon in your desktop, so click this checkbox optionally and click next and click install to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, you have an option here, launch Visual Studio Code. If you would like to launch and directly start working with it, you can remain it like this. Otherwise, you uncheck this and click finish. So we have completed the installation of Visual Studio Code. We have completed step 1 now. Now that we have completed step 1, let us move forward to step 2, which is download node.js. Again, you open the browser. In Google, type node.js and you will go to a link, the very first link, which is nodejs.org. Click on this download link here and again you can see here you have the installer for 3 operating systems: Windows, Mac as well as Linux. So since mine is Windows, I'll click on this 64-bit link next to Windows installer. You can see my installer is downloaded. So double click on it to start. Click next. Click I accept. Click next. 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 Leave all the values for default. Click next and click install. Click yes. Finally, click on the finish button. So we have completed the installation of node.js. To confirm if the installation is complete or not, open command prompt and type node space -v. You will get a message regarding the version of node.js. Mine is 12.18.3. You can also check if the Node Package Manager is installed or not. For that, simply type npm space -v. Yes, mine is installed and the version is 6.14.6. Now what is this Node Package Manager or npm? npm helps you to download some packages that will be helpful for you to develop React.js applications. We will be discussing about it in detail later. So this gives you a confirmation that the node.js is successfully installed. Alright, so we have completed the step 2, which is installing node.js. So we can close this command prompt and this browser, which is no longer required. Okay, so now that we have completed step 2 of installing node.js, let us move forward to step 3, which is npx create react app. This step will help you to create a new React application. For this, following are the 3 small steps you have to follow. Number 1, create a project folder at any desired location. Number 2, open Visual Studio Code and select the folder you created. And number 3, issue the command, issue the below command at its command prompt. The command is npx create -react -app followed by any application name. Provide any application name, the application which you want to develop. Alright, so let's get started. So now let's move forward and perform these 3 steps quickly. As a first step, we need to create a project folder. So go to any location. I'm going to my D drive. This is the place where I'll create my application. You may decide to choose any locations, even the desktop also. So I will create a folder here and give a name. Let's say my React Proj. You can give whatever name you want. So this is the location where I'll be creating my projects. Close this window. My second step is open Visual Studio Code and select that folder. So click on File menu and choose Open Folder, and you choose that folder which you have. Open the folder that you have just now created and click on Select Folder. It will give you, do you want to save your workspace configuration as a file? Click Don't Save. And there you are. You have created a new workspace where your React project and React application is going to be created. All right, this we have completed step 2. Now what is step 3 saying? Issue the below command. So you need to issue the command at the command prompt of Visual Studio Code. Now Visual Studio Code command prompt, you can open it by clicking on this terminal menu and selecting new terminal. Click on new terminal window. Now you can see it is already selected. Your folder is already selected here. My React Proj folder is already been selected here. So in this prompt, you issue the command. Let me copy this command, npx create react app followed by the name of the application. So paste that command, space, and type any application name. Make sure that the name of the application must be in lowercase. So let's say I'm saying Raj _ app and press enter. Okay, so it has started creating the application. Let's wait for this application to complete. Once the application is completed, you can see there will be several folders created on this panel here. And let me expand this node. It is still going on. Let this complete. There you are. We have successfully created a new application, React.js application called as Raj _ app, and it is giving us a suggestion to change the directory to your application and start it. So we will do that. You just type cd space followed by your application name, Raj _ app, press enter, and type npm space start. Congratulations. Now finally we have set up our very first React.js app, which is running in the local host with the port 3000. So let us minimize this browser and come back to our application. You may see some folders here created. You don't have to worry at this beginner's level. Now we'll be discussing about this in detail in the later session. Alright.
Thanks for watching. I hope you have liked this video and now very much comfortable with setting up React.js on Windows operating system. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so and like and share this video with your friends. And also do not forget to click on the notification button so that you get the updates instantly. Alright, in my next video we will see how to develop a simple React.js app. So till then, happy coding and see you soon.